Hey, what's going on? It's Mr. Farmer here with DigiEd, and now we made it to the junior module. So I want to say congratulations to you on that because a lot of people don't make it this far. And so you've made it this far, and so let's continue on to make progress. So the first lesson is design your user experience. And so it's very important to design your user experience because you want to know what you're actually building before you just start building it. So I'm going to just simply take you through a Google drawing real quick. So first step is they're going to sign up and they're going to log in. So that's going to be the first screen. So I'm going to just make a copy of that. Then I'm going to go Control V. So the second screen is going to be, maybe you want to have like your products, your list of products. As soon as they get inside of the app, you want to have the list of products ready for them. And so let's say they choose a product. So where does that take them? So they click on the product. Now you go to that specific product page. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be thinking about, okay, what do I want to have on that product page? Do I want to have an image? Do I want to have a description, the price, maybe a link? And so if you want to have a link, something that takes them off of that specific product page, then I would just add that right here. So we'll just be like, one moment. There we go. So I would just say like Amazon link or eBay, but I'm going to stick with Amazon over eBay. So we'll just go Amazon link, and then that way that's where they make the purchase. And if you're an Amazon affiliate, then what will happen is you would get commission whenever they go to Amazon. And so that's if you go with the drop shipping option. And so that's pretty much what we're going to be doing this lesson. Just kind of draw out what does that step-by-step user experience look like. All right, so get that done, and then we'll move on to the next lesson where we will be looking into the templates. All right, see you next lesson.